The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the Government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.
Ka Public Accounts Committee hapok kejingelam ke chairperson Kamyani di Shira rengkat kejingedan lang ki MLA kum ki dikhot ki bentubi Dr. Celestine Lengdo ba Bright Starwell Marbanyang ba Rupa M Mara. Kila Jurip ke Civil Hospital Shillong ke Ganesh Das Hospital ke Negrims ba ke Super Care Hospital ba kini ke komiti ke lekran ba ki board peniat ba kinong tre ke MHIS ban snoto ya ke Rukom Pyntreikam jong ka Megha Health Insurance Scheme MHIS kajing syam juginong yo jing mentoy bagajing ka bakta ka Rukom Pyntreikam hakapan ajing syakri leng ba kini ke scheme Kamyani di Shira kalong bagajing Jurip kalong banyo ikijing tip ba besngoto kambha ya kajing Pyntreikam ke MHIS sakaleng ke hospital jong sarkar jela ke sarkar Pedeng bat ke hospital jong Shimet Kalapan pau bagi hospital kidang beteng wan mat ikijing ban Pyntreikam bat kani kata ajur bha ya kajing ajing syakri Bat ka Public Accounts Committee ka kot jing mot ban pentikena ba ka jing ajing syakri leng ba ka MHIS kan long ka bayo dabaro ka Pyntreikam renti bat ka bayadai bat baro kinong shnong ka balat na kino ki jing penuit.
The Public Accounts Committee had a site visit in different hospitals to review the MHIS scheme being implemented on the ground. So we went to Civil Hospital Shillong, Ganesh Das Hospital, Negrims, and then finally we visited Super Care Hospital. The idea of the site visit today was to get detailed information about the challenges and the problems being faced within the hospitals while implementing the scheme. Now, on paper, it looks picture perfect, but when you go on the ground, there are a lot of challenges that the hospitals and the managements are facing. Our aim is to give smooth services for the people of Meghalaya, for the patient parties, so that they can claim the insurance with little to minimal hassles involved. Therefore, we have gone to all these different hospitals, be it government hospital or Negrims being a central government hospital and a private hospital, to understand the different kind of challenges faced by different types of hospitals. So we have been told of different types of challenges that different hospitals are facing right now while implementing the MHI scheme. So we have discussed at length. We have noted quite a number of points. So from the PAC, we will be recommending few points so that the department can implement few of our recommendations for smoother implementation of MHI.